Good morning. We're about to leave for the fourth day on the road and hopefully the last one for a little while. We're gonna stay in a place down south for about a week and hopefully manage to get some hiking in, which we haven't really been able to do because everything was covered in snow. So really excited to actually see some of the more summery version of Norway. So since we're staying at the next place for about a week, we have to go for some grocery shopping, and we thought we'd take you along so we can show you what it's like to shop for groceries in Norway and what the cheapest places are. So Norway is one of the world's most expensive countries, second only to Switzerland, I believe. So when you're traveling nomadically and are effectively broke, you kind of have to squeeze a few pennies. And the answer to that is the Rema 1000, which is Norway's version of Lidl or Aldi, but by no means do not expect Lidl or Aldi-like prices. In terms of prices, a bottle of Coke can be anywhere between 3 and 4 euro for a liter and a half. A kilogram of cheese is at the very minimum 7 euros per kilogram for the cheapest, like a budget version of cheese. So I wanted to talk a bit about these grassy roofs that are actually very common in Norwegian houses. Apparently they used to be a means of cheap insulation and served us to keep the logs in log houses firmly to the ground because of the weight. I think they're called torvtak in Norwegian, which means turf roof. And while it's no longer necessary, you can actually see a lot of houses in Norway that have these kind of roofs, and I actually find them fairly endearing. And I guess I haven't seen that before, so that's more information you didn't want.
So 2,000 kilometers later, the series is concluded.
And about 24 hours of driving.
24 hours of driving. It was tiring. But we got here. The car is in one piece. We are in one piece. Very proud of us.
Only physically, not emotionally. Now, we've wanted to share this with you ever since we came here, but we thought we'd wait for the light to go down for dramatic effect. These are the Bjorli apartments. They're a set of serviced apartments near the ski resort within the town of Bjorli. And given the onslaught of a certain virus that upon naming gets any video demonetized, not that we can monetize our channel, but they're currently entirely and completely empty. So we thought we'd show you what an entirely empty hotel looks like. Elevator's not working. We had to carry all our bags on the third floor by hand through the fire escape. This is probably where the blood came out of.
Cool seating areas. It's crazy.
It's nice. I think
if there were people here.
If there were any humans around, it wouldn't be too bad. Oh yeah, creepy. So this hotel is effectively a real life Shining hotel. I can't remember the name of that place. The Overlook Hotel? What was it called? Something like that, right? It's in the mountains. It's surrounded by snow. It's entirely empty. And you get in like weirdly good state, and we're the only ones here. Better yet, it has a bar and effectively all the amenities that you actually saw in The Shining. So we're thinking we should probably do a short film about this. So if you guys tell us that you want us to make one, I think we will. So let us know.